Okay, we're up here at the front of it, and this is where I'm going to start. It'll be obvious why once we start to get into it. There's some wood rot on here. Basics. When I start a project, I establish the parameters. What am I going to use this for? There's three basic categories I want to use this for. One, to go camping. Two, daughter number 4 is a barber, and this is what started this whole thing. She wants to have a mobile barber setup. As open as this floor plan is in there, I think this would be perfect. She also wants to use it for camping. So there's the camping, there's the mobile barber, and the third, and the thing that I always keep in mind, resale. I alluded to it in the previous video that RVs are going for stupid money now. And they're not much better. Unless you get one, travel trailers, small travel trailers, unless you get one that has an aluminum frame, the chassis of it, the box, they're made out of wood. Well, that's what this is made out of. So first thing I want to do, and I know this, because of water damage, it has leaked and some of the wood is rotted in it. I've already pulled apart some of the interior, and I found it. And I want to focus up here. It's got a big window up front. I'm going to pull that window out. Then I want to start taking the sheet metal off the bottom of it and taking a look at it. A lot of people get in over their heads real quick with this type of project. They tear everything apart, and now they got to put it all back together, and they don't quite remember, and it's taken 6 months. So what I want to do is I want to start on the front. I want to work on the front, get it done. If I ever get to the point where, for whatever reason, this is no longer a viable project, a couple of days I'll put it back together, I'll either sell it or scrap it. So right now I have $0 in it, and I don't plan on putting a bunch of money into this. Like I said, kind of $2,500, is that realistic? Well, if you're not paying labor and you're not putting really expensive stuff in it, and a lot of expensive stuff in it, keep your scope down, I think you could do it for $2,500. You know, having said that, first thing I got to do is put, $100 worth of tires in it, so $2,400. Anyway, so let's get to work. Like I said, the first thing I want to do is I want to take this front window out. I don't know how much of it I'm going to videotape, but what I'll do, once I get the window out, I'll give you a recap on what I did and show you the wood damage. Okay? Let me get to work. Okay, just a quick review of the wood. These corners here is where you're going to see the most damage. And let me see if I can zoom in on that guy. And And believe it or not, that is not that bad. Let me see if I can get a light in there for you. That is not that bad. The tops, along the top here, that's not even an issue, that's good. Down here at the bottom, focus. Again, let me zoom out a little bit here. That's not that bad. That could just be sealed up. However, now we're gonna get into the bad part. See if I can get a shot in here. I'll try to get it to zoom in there, and there it is. And get some light on there, and there's nothing left. This is rotted out. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I want to get the metal off as high as I can, and we got to replace this piece, and there might be another piece or two under here that needs to be addressed. Okay, got the window out. Big hole. Not that hard. Normally you use what's called butyl tape around the window, and you set it in that butyl tape, and that's what you use. That was long gone, and somebody had used some sort of, it was like a mastic. It's hard, and it's still around the window and it's on the frame and stuff, but that window popped right out. Let me give you a quick, my first impression of the wood rot from the water damage, and then we'll call this for the video. The next video, I'll be pulling metal off. Okay.